Hi, Sandra Crathern. Inner Vision, top tips, health tips for this week, and I think it really needs to be about getting some sort of routine and balance. You know, with COVID-19 continuing to create a lot of challenges for a lot of people, I think it's important that we have a really good, disciplined routine of things that we need to add in for our health and well-being, and not only our physical well-being but our mental. You know, right now a lot of people are very challenged with extra anxiety, more stress, more worry, financial issues. I mean, it's a big deal. I was taking blood because I'm a phlebotomist at the hospital for a few hours a week, and I was taking blood and with this elderly lady, and she was in her 90s, and I said to her, "So, how do you cope with all this difficulty of not seeing anyone and being indoors for months?" And she said, "Sandra, you have to have a really good routine." She said, "I go for a walk every day. I make sure I have proper meals. I get into nature. I go to bed early." She said, "I drink plenty of water. I really make sure I keep myself connected to other people by phone or Skype or Zoom." You know, she was connecting with her family. And I thought, yeah, they're very simple suggestions, but you know, that lady's lived a ripe old age, and mentally she was in a pretty amazing state. So I try and adopt that myself and put in the stuff that you know you need to do. You know, it's a done deal. You need proper breaks away from the desk. You know, if you're working from home, it's very easy for hour to go by, and before you know it, you've been there 6 hours and haven't moved. So I don't set alarms because my stomach is my alarm. So I know when I need to have breakfast, I know when I need to have lunch, and I know when I need to have dinner. And they're quite disciplined times. I'm about to stop now. I've done quite a bit of work this morning on a networking meeting. I had another meeting with somebody else. I've been out on my bicycle. I've watered my seafront flower plot that the council kindly have given me. Have a little look if you're going past. I love it. It's called Self Care Equals Self Repair, and there's a little theme that I've created. Go and have a look and tell me what you think. So yes, I think it's really getting some sort of routine, like the elderly lady said, and some sort of structure, so that when all this continues to transform into whatever it continues to transform in, we've got the basis of self care there. You know, my mental well being is as important as my physical and my emotional. In fact, all of them need to be realigned so that we can get the best out of ourselves. So I really wish you a wonderful week, and make sure you take your lunch breaks, like that elderly lady said, and you drink your water and you rest and you communicate your feelings, because we're a whole package, aren't we? Human beings, not human doings. I look forward to speaking to you next week.